Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about introvert kind of people and extrovert kind of people. What is your kind? I think that people, those always staying at home, not going outside, not joining the companies, parties or other activities are called the introvert kind of people. And the people, those go outside, enjoy the company of friends, discussing with other friends with happy mood are called the extrovert kind of people. No, I will talk about English learning. When it comes to English learning, introvert kind of people are good in English learning or extrovert people are good in English learning. I think that for English learning, dedication and devotion is required, whether you are introvert or extrovert. If you are introvert, you are memorizing, you are cramming, you are learning own self the words, the sentences of English language, you are listening the videos, the podcast while staying at home, and you are enhancing your memory, then it's okay. But I think that extrovert kind of people, those are doing the same exercise, are a little bit good than those who are introvert, because the extrovert people are getting the chances of practice. Whatever they are learning, they are doing the practice with their friend, in the company, in some functions. When they are in some functions, they can discuss in English language, they can talk with other fellow members in English language. In this way they are doing the practice of English language. Otherwise, introvert persons are always staying at home. They are not finding any kind of person or friend with whom they can speak or they can do the exercise. So they lack the practice. Both are doing the same hard work, but extrovert are little bit better because they are doing the extra exercise of speaking English language. So they can learn, improve English language better than those who are staying at home. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some of the other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.